Hi, it's Tony here. Previously we discussed the definition of validation and some of the benefits that come out of the validation process. We want to talk a little bit about what a validation professional works through to complete a validation package. Classically, validation is put together in three pieces, right? So you start at the beginning of the process with what's called an installation qualification. And then in the middle of the process, you're an operational qualification. And at the end of the process, a performance qualification. Often it seems pretty nebulous what entails a validation package. We'd like to talk a little bit about each element and how it's structured. Installation qualification is a collection and a verification of how a system is put together. So now you're looking at how the drawings are structured, the manuals are structured, the preventive maintenance program, the calibration program, and all the pieces and parts and motors and belts that comprise a system. In the operational qualification, that's the middle part of validation. This is where you're testing to make sure that a machine will operate, turn on, and do its basic functions. So we look at how the computerized system functions, how printers will produce reports, how systems will alarm when it's appropriate, and then also how a machine will actually produce product to its boundaries, the lowest possible speeds, the highest possible speeds. As we move to the end of the process, that performance qualification, this is where you're testing that a system can manufacture product properly to your specifications, that a system is capable and you're looking for it's repeatable. So this is the way a system is validated in these three parts. And I like to use the analogy of an onion skin or an onion and the layers of an onion. So in the centermost of the onion is the IQ, and as you move outward toward the outer layers of the onion and finally the outer layer, you move closer to that PQ level. And so if you take a look at the experience of a production operator and the system that they look at, they're seeing that outer skin of the onion or the performance type characteristics of the onion or the system that produces product from raw material.